just wanna be with you.
All right, got a sweet unboxing video for you guys today. This thing is an induction bolt heater from Amazon. I don't even know the brand. I'll post the link in the video. But let me show you guys what I got cooking. So, nightmare. I decided I was going to change the turbo on my RV. This is an 8.3 Cummins. Broke every bolt off in the head. But broke off every stud here in the head. And I figured buying this heater might be the thing to do versus trying to drill and tap every single one of these. So, follow along. All right, here we go. Never used one of these things. It's supposed to be awesome. I bought for $40 more or whatever. I got the gun because it looked like it did some more wattage. Got some different sized units here. Looks like we just put this thing in here. Really hard to do one-handed. Sorry, everybody. Oh my gosh. Trying not to cross-thread that thing. All right, there's a bunch of warning labels here. Something about don't block the ventilation. Let that thing get back into focus. All right, here we go. Ooh, just taking off here. Sorry, everybody. Whoa. Okay. I can get into this. Whoa. Dude, that's pretty cool. No, it stinks. How short of a nub will it do? Not that short. Something's hot. Hoping to do like these little guys. Don't even want to touch that. Alright, we're going to see if the old bolt heater that heats these bolts up to 900 degrees or whatever. I mean, this thing is pretty freaking cool. If it can just get me one, it'll probably pay for itself. I'm gonna super fucking heat this thing. Sorry, superheat this thing. Wow, dude. Okay. I'm gonna try to extract that here in a second. But I wanna like make sure this thing's not catching this thing on fire behind me. Sorry. Okay. No, sir. I don't know how you guys in the East Coast do this shit. because this is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'll set you down. No, sir. Nope. Okay. We're going to try to heat these up some more and then put some product on them. We'll see if that'll work. All right, so it'll heat even that little nub. Even it did that one. It'll heat that enough that when you spray it with like some type of penetrant, it'll smoke. I mean, it's hot enough. Like you can't get it glowing red, but I wouldn't touch it. So this thing's pretty awesome. I haven't been able to extract one of these yet. I'm trying to heat them up, cool them, get this thing to break loose. This sucks. This is a pretty big suck. So again, hats off to you guys that deal with rust on a regular, that deal with salted roads. Like I'm a mechanic in Oregon. We don't have these problems. So this is terrible. This thing is from the coast, which, you know, salt water, but yeah, I wish I wouldn't have ever taken this apart. This has been awful, but, and I've fixed a lot of things in my career. This sucks. Thanks for tuning in. This product's pretty cool. We'll see if I get one of these things out. Maybe I'll try to get out here and film. Honestly, I didn't want to film trying to take this apart because it was a nightmare, and I broke every single bolt I touched. So some days are like that. Some days you're the hammer, and some days you're the nail. See ya. All right, to update you guys on this induction heater from Amazon. I ended up having to cut the bolts off that were out there, drill and tap them, and then on number 9, I broke my tap off into the head, which is absolutely awesome. So I'm getting a tool from Walton that is supposed to remove taps. I got the other ones tapped. It was a snap-on tap. It's a nice tap. So what can you do? The induction heater worked, but man, you know, its job is to help you remove stuck bolts. I tried everything. And these are the worst bolts. I mean, I've been a mechanic for 20 years. This is the worst project I've ever had in terms of bolt quality and breaking off and them being welded in the head. So I guess maybe the tool just wasn't up for the task. But I bought it to try to save myself some drilling and tapping, and it didn't do that. So just wanted to update everybody. Maybe it'll work for you. Maybe not. I'm not giving them a plug. So anyway, just an old drill bit and some taps. Worked pretty good. See ya. Here is a product from the Walton company. And this is a tap extractor. So you slide these fingers down the length of your tap, down the length of the flutes. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you shove that, then you shove the tool down and then the collar down. And I've been working on this for a little bit. Trying to break that chip load, get this thing out of here. But this thing is showing some promise. Back and forth we go. I didn't read the directions. Now, as these things, if you reef on this thing, these teeth will bend and you can cut them. Give yourself a fresh bite, and they're replaceable. This thing is really cool. I just hope it works. So, I'll keep you updated. All right, today I am finishing up this like 2-week saga of a bolt in my head on my 8.3 Cummins, and I have had no luck. So the fancy tool that I bought from the Walton Co., it worked good, but I used up all the fingers. Let me show you guys. That's how much of that tap's in there. So I use an impact driver, if you guys know what that is, from Snap-on. You smack on it and it turns, and that's what it did to the bit. I would try welding it, but there's enough. Of the old bolt in there. I'm worried I'll weld it to that, and I know that's not coming out of the head. So, last but not least, I've been just not wanting to do this. Plasma cutter. All right, wish me luck. Success. It's awesome. Didn't even catch anything on fire. There's that tap. Pieces of it. I didn't catch anything on fire either, and it's tapped. The entry's a little bored out. Looks like it's about ready to settle down. Anyway, thanks for following along. See you later. All right, smash that like button and subscribe.